Hello everyone, I am Raj Kiran Marathe, and our today's video topic is the difference between procedure-oriented programming language and the object-oriented programming language. There are basically two types of programming language: procedure-oriented and the object-oriented. The object-oriented programming language are mainly focused on the object and the classes. That's why the object-oriented programming language are the programming language which includes four pillars, which are inheritance, polymorphism, then abstraction, and the encapsulation. Then the second one is procedure-oriented programming language. Procedure-oriented programming language basically based on the not on the structure of the program, structure of the code, but on the what the process which will be in the program or a code. The procedure-oriented programming language example is the C language, and whereas the object-oriented programming language, which will be mostly used in the IT sector. The example are like Java, then Python, and so on. Developers who have been in the profession for even few years have seen a number of programming language and tools grow and fall. Because software development is a dynamic sector with a continually evolving job requirement, it's critical to keep an eye on a future trends and technologies that could help with the process. You need to know about both the object-oriented programming language and the procedure-oriented programming language. Mainly, the future is in the object-oriented programming language, because we need to focus on the object of the object of the programming language rather than the which procedure will be held in the programming language. Many developers just don't have a time to keep up with many languages due to rapid technology advancement and in ever shrinking product cycles. Then the programmer choose the object-oriented programming language rather than choosing the procedure-oriented language, procedure-oriented programming language. While in the early days of a computer, software engineer was just a technical term for a computer programmer. The position now empowers much more: interface design, development methods, data testing, and maintenance, to mention a few. This disparity is one of the reason why in today's market the object-oriented programming is highly used. Then the way of a procedure language interact with the device is crucial. When you utilize a procedure programming language, which is you can give you give your computer explicitly instruction and tell it how to achieve its goal using logic and the step-by-step procedure. Thank you. That's all about what is the difference between the object-oriented programming language and the procedure oriented programming language.